friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, we are right in front of my closet because we are going to be decluttering and organizing the closet today together. We are in quarantine. What better time to do this than now? So we are going to go ahead and do that today. But before that, if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Alondra and I'd love for you to join my channel and my journey here on YouTube. So subscribe and like this video and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the closet as you can see, and my clothes is the clothes in the bottom. I have somewhat of a system, but it's kind of not working right now because I just have too much clothes. But I have the shorter sleeves to longer sleeves here. And then right here I have dresses, shorter sleeve to longer sleeve, and then I have sweaters and just throwovers and things like that on this end. And then up here is my partner's clothes. I don't think I'm gonna touch much of it because he doesn't like me to touch it, like throw things out or anything like that, because he has his own system. So he is going to just focus on that maybe another day, but I might do something to it. I'm not sure yet. But we're gonna focus on this. So let's go ahead and get started.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about it.
I actually felt like I really needed to do this today because I washed all of my clothes, all of it. I have no laundry, thank you quarantine, but I realized that not all of my clothes fits in the closet and my drawers, so I felt like, okay, it's time to get rid of some clothes, whether that is donating it or throwing some clothes out that is very, very old and doesn't even fit me anymore. In all honesty, most of my clothes is fairly new. I've had it for maybe 3 to 4 years. So nothing much older than that. I did used to be the type of person that would hoard a lot of things, especially clothes. I'm talking about I was in college, about to graduate college, and I still had t-shirts from the 8th grade that I had no business ever wearing or having really, and they were just sitting there, and I realized that other people can definitely still enjoy them a lot better than I could. So you know, I think just with time I learned that it's okay to kind of just get rid of things. So let me know down in the comments if you are the same way, because I can't be the only one. Now that I've decided what clothes I am donating and getting rid of, I am just going back in and working on my system. Like I said, I do have a system. So usually starting off with the left side, I do start off with my shirts, and I have them by spaghetti strap all the way to long sleeve. And then within my long sleeves, I divide them between my work shirts and my casual long sleeve shirts. So that works really great for me. And then moving on, I do some dresses, and then I also do spaghetti strap all the way to long sleeve, and then I move on to sweaters. And usually my sweaters, I organize them by color and also just which ones I prefer to have closer together. So I know just by looking at this, it doesn't look like a huge difference, but if you go like this, it feels like a huge difference. So I'm very happy about that. I am getting rid of all of this. So these are all of the hangers that I took out of the closet, and then this is the clothes that I'm getting rid of. So I think it is a great progress. Moving on, we are going to focus on the dresser cabinet because that is where I have a lot of the clothes that no longer fits me or that I really do not wear. So I'm just going to go through those drawers. They are pretty organized because I often keep them organized, but we are going to take out some clothes because it is very packed in there. This is a lot harder than it looks because this is one of my favorite drawers. This is where I have all of my leggings and my sweatpants and pajamas. So these are usually all the things that I wear like on a daily basis, and these two right here. But then these behind here I really don't use much, and then I have 3 additional ones that I use sometimes that don't fit in here. So the goal is to find enough space in here to kind of not have these on top of everything else, because everything is kind of using like a Marie Kondo method, but obviously these have to go on top because I don't usually use these, but I don't like to cover up this section because I actually use these pretty often. So as you can see, these are all of my leggings. So let's go ahead and declutter this. Wanting to do this decluttering video with you all for some time now, but honestly I always stalled on it because I thought it was going to take me so much longer than it actually did. It was honestly super fast. I do recommend that you have a system to your closet and or drawers, and by that I mean that for me, as you can see, when I was going into decluttering, a lot of my clothes was already hung in the closet, or they were neatly stored in the cabinets or the drawers. So for me, it was just about going in and taking out those items that I didn't want anymore and just setting them aside, rather than taking all of my clothes out and then having to reorganize it. So I think that for me, it was more of just kind of taking clothes out because I already have my clothes organized or pretty organized. So I do recommend that you all do that, whether it is splitting it up and organizing everything first and then kind of going through it, or, you know, just kind of going through everything and then organizing. Alright, so starting with the top drawer, this is where I keep my bras, my bralettes, and my underwear. I need to organize these on this end to match these here, but this is usually how I have them unless I for some reason just go crazy and go through all of them. But that is that, so that looks good. In this drawer I have all of my shorts for my PJs, and these are more like silky one-piece PJs. And then I have all of my socks here. For the most part, they all have pairs. I do keep some without pairs here because my hope is to find the pair soon. And then I have all of my sports bras on this end. I try to keep them somewhat like ones that I favor in the front over putting them in the back. So that is this drawer. And then in this drawer I have all of my shirts and my t-shirts. So on this side I always have more of tank tops, and then on this side I have more of my sleeping shirts are here. These are t-shirts that I can wear on an everyday basis, and I have them this way because I tend to grab them a lot more often, so I can just pull them out. These are more like workout shirts, and these behind here are more travel shirts that I've worn, or like my study abroad shirt, or shirts that I wear during painting and things like that. And then last but not least is this drawer, and now there's like space in between them, as you can see, but these are all of my daily leggings. These are all of my more black leggings, and in case I don't wear these I have here because honestly I wear leggings every time I film. So these are more of like my filming leggings, and these are more of just regular leggings. These here are more of my skirts. These are longer skirts and pants and things like that, and then these are all PJs, and I always just grab whichever one is on the top because they're all the same to me. But that is that. As you can see, this is all the clothes that I am going to get rid of from my closet and my drawers. So some of this I'm donating, some of this I am going to offer it to my mom and my sister because I know that they love clothes. And then these are all of the hangers that I took out of the closet. As you can see, it is a lot of clothes. To me, it's a lot at least. So I'm very happy because now I have a lot more space. Decluttering and organizing my closet and drawers honestly did not take me long at all. I highly encourage you to do this because looking at this is just super satisfying to me and I am super happy with the outcome. So definitely let me know if you found this video helpful for you all, if you're also decluttering your closets during this quarantine time. I would love to hear how the process was for you, because for me, thankfully it was very fast and easy, but I know that that might not be the experience for everyone, so definitely let me know. And with that being said, I want to just say thank you for watching, and a reminder that I do have a giveaway coming up when I reach 500 subscribers, which I am super excited about. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!